Hi, car. That was the sight of my car being towed away to the garage. I drove it to work on Tuesday and it was very clear that something was not right. It'd been kind of scraping on the floor when I went into driveways and things a bit. And I thought it was just the tyre pressure, but on Tuesday it was apparent that it was going to be more than that. And when I was turning left, there was a really bad clunking sound. So I managed to get it home. And then when I got back, Brian put it up on a jack and it was quite clear that the suspension was buggered, which is going to be quite a costly job. So I haven't been able to drive it since Tuesday. Today's Friday and it's just been towed today. It's booked in to be sorted at the garage on Monday. It's absolutely typical because Ryan's car went through its MOT last week, and Ryan, we've had notorious problems with that car. It's just a pain in the ass and we were thinking about getting rid of it. But it passed through the MOT absolutely fine this time round, which was nothing short of a miracle. And then my car, which is supposed to be the reliable one, gets buggered. So God knows how much that is going to cost. Luckily, I had booked annual leave next Monday and Tuesday anyway, so I don't have to worry about getting to work. Ryan and I are planning on getting some painting done in the house, trying to get this extension finished. But yeah, I haven't been able to drive my car at all this week. And I feel really lost without it. And I know that's really stupid because I have 2 feet. I can walk. But you just can't get that far on foot. And I don't know, when you have a car, and I've driven since, you know, I was old enough to drive, you just kind of come reliant on it. So yeah, I feel trapped in my own home. But luckily Ryan does get home early. So if there's anything I really need to do, then I just take his car out in the afternoon. And we still went swimming yesterday, me and April. I just got a taxi over there. But I can't be doing that all the time because it's very, very expensive. But yeah, how annoying. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday. So this hasn't really been much of a weekly vlog because so far I have filmed absolutely nothing apart from my car being towed away. And we've heard back from the garage and actually it's not going to cost as much as we thought it was going to. It's still going to be nearly £200, but I was thinking it was going to be like 400 or 500. So actually I feel like we've saved money. So that should be ready to pick up. I think they're going to service it on Monday actually, so we'll pick it up then. So phew, thank goodness for that. Anyway, it is the weekend, so this is going to be more of a weekend vlog. And me and Ryan are going out on our own today. We are going to the North Somerset Bird of Prey Centre because for his birthday, I bought him a Bird of Prey experience. So we're going to go down there and we're going to get to meet and handle and fly some birds of prey, which is super exciting. It is also super wet outside. So yeah, that's going to be fun. But we do get a cream tea afterwards. So if anything, I'll be looking forward to that. Good morning everybody, and a very, very happy Mother's Day to all you lovely mummies out there doing a grand job. We have been having fun this morning. I've been very spoilt. I've had breakfast in bed, flowers and chocolates, and a nice new mug which is Chip from the Beauty and the Beast. Uh-oh, you're muddy? Oh no. It's alright. Yeah. And some lovely homemade cards. And now we have come out for a walk. As you can see, we're in the woods. Actually, this is our local cemetery, which sounds a bit morbid, but actually it is absolutely massive and absolutely beautiful here. And it's just a really nice place. So we are doing Libby's favourite pastime of all time, which is collecting sticks, but today it's with a purpose, because we are planning on making an Easter tree. We did this last year and it was really successful, so we're going to do it again this year. So we're collecting lots of sticks, they'll go in a vase, and we'll hang lots of Easter decorations off them. So that's what we're doing this morning. We're walking uphill and it's taking a very long time with this one. Oh, dropped it. I'll carry it, shall I? I'll carry it? Okay. Home, and as you can see, we are chilled right out on the couch in the playroom. We had a lovely walk, didn't we?
Yeah.
Well, minus a fair bit of whinging from April. And then we had a cheeky Costa and a cake. And now we are home, we've got our lounges on, and we are going to watch the BFG.
I'll show you now.
We're going to watch the BFG this afternoon. Sorry about that. And Ryan's just gone out to get a takeaway roast dinner because Mummy is not cooking today, and apparently neither is Daddy. So he's gone to get a takeaway roast dinner. April's having a nap, so it's nice and peaceful. So that's going to be the rest of our day. I forgot to say the Bird of Prey experience yesterday was brilliant. We got to hold some amazing birds and we got to fly a barn owl.
Yeah,
so
and
it's
Nanny
really cool.
came over.
Nanny looked after you, didn't
And
she?
we had a cheeky McDonald's.
Cheeky McDonald's. Yes, you did. They had a McDonald's. So yeah, that's the end of the vlog, really. It's not been a weekly vlog this time, has it? It's just been a weekend vlog, but it's been lovely. I have been very spoilt by my girls for Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all you wonderful mummies out there. You're all doing a fabulous job, whether you believe it or not. And I hope you have a lovely, relaxing day. See you soon. Bye.
I will. Oh, you will. You has a bean. Right out. Let's get on with it. Let's get on with it. Time to